Thinking about skipping A plus, you setting yourself up for failure. Now I know you've been watching YouTube and everybody telling you just get security plus, just get COS A plus, just focus on cyber security. And that is a huge mistake. Look, man, A plus is not optional, especially for you. You don't know shit. That's where A plus comes in. So watch this full video to fully understand why you should get A plus. By the end of this, you will be sold and on your way to getting certified. Let's get into it. The biggest lie in tech right now is that you can do all this stuff without learning the fundamentals. You can secure a network without knowing what the hell a network is. You can troubleshoot servers, but you don't even understand how operating systems work. You can't troubleshoot anything. You can't protect anything if you don't understand how everything really works. A plus teaches you a little bit of everything: networking, cybersecurity, troubleshooting, customer management, AI, code. Almost every facet of technology is covered in A plus. Now, another question you may be asking is, okay, cool, but can I get a job with A plus? Does A plus even matter? Before I get into that, I'm Rob, a former staff sergeant in the U.S. Army that helps people just like you pass A plus and a bunch of other certifications fast as fuck. So, if you're in the military right now, I'll train you for absolutely free, you and your spouse. If you're not in the military, no big deal. We help civilians as well. So if you're looking to pass A plus, any other certification, go to passtechcerts.com and we'll get you started. So according to industry labor data, IT roles and support roles are still the #1 entry point for everybody that's looking to get into tech in 2026. But the biggest thing is this: they're not just looking for people that can pass a certification. They're looking for people that can actually hit the ground running and be a valuable asset from day one. Done right, A plus should do a couple things. You should fully understand hardware. You should fully understand software. You should fully understand how to problem solve. That's one of the biggest things, right? Troubleshooting is just a fancy word for problem solving. So A plus is going to help you with troubleshooting. Tech in general is nothing but something is broke. How do you fix it? And how do you stop it from breaking again? So it's really only a few reasons that people skip A plus. Number one is listening to the wrong people, having wrong information. Number two, having an ego, thinking, oh, I don't need this. And number three, just lacking patience, not understanding that building a strong foundation is going to make things way easier. Network plus, security plus, CEH, CCNA, whatever you're trying to do, whatever your ultimate goal is, A plus will make that go so much easier to obtain so much quicker. So a lot of times people that skip A plus, is what happens. They go for a higher level cert and they completely fail it. They completely bomb and it's over with. They go back to a warehouse, they go back to their job, they go back doing whatever they were doing before. They go back to military, healthcare, whatever they were doing, they go back to it because like, okay, this can't be it. Everybody told me to get the certification and I failed it so miserably. I don't understand what the hell is going on. That's another thing. A lot of people that's joining our programs, they are a little skeptical about A plus. Like, I don't know. But when I was trying to study for Security Plus, or I was trying to study for CCNA, or when I was trying to figure out this, I didn't understand nothing. None of the shit it was, what it was talking about. That's the reason. You can't get your fucking master's degree if you don't have a high school diploma, right? You got to have the basics. You got to fully understand what's going on, right? You can't know how to, 360 dunk if you don't even know how to do a layup, right? You can't knock somebody out if you don't know how to jab, throw a right hook. You get the point. You got to have the basics. You have to have the fundamentals in tech and life in general for things to go really smooth for you. Another thing is this: even if somehow you squeak past and you pass these higher level certifications, a lot of these people that didn't get the skills along the way and don't understand the basics, they are going to bomb the interview. Because guess what they're going to be asked you in the interview? Some basic shit, just to make sure, okay, let me make sure that this person understands what's going on. Let me make sure that this person is who they say they are, right? And then we can get into more complex stuff. But if you don't even understand the basics, there's no point of us even talking to them anymore. And I have real world examples of this, right? I have a student that the only thing that he was interested in was Security Plus. Nothing else. I want Security Plus, that's it. I don't want to talk about nothing else, And I told him, look, to join our Zero to IT Pro program, you got to get A plus first. It ain't no conversation. It ain't no, this is a dictatorship. This ain't a goddamn democracy, right? And he was like, I guess, man, because I want to get into the program, blah, blah, blah. From day one. The first day he signed up, right? He was like, Rob, I'm going through this stuff. And I just want to say thank you because I didn't know none of this stuff. And I said, yeah, I know. A plus is so much more complex. A plus is so much more than what, a lot of people give it credit for, especially, with all the advances and stuff. Like I said, any facet of tech that you can think about is on A plus. So anyway, what happened with him is this. So he went through the A plus stuff. He got certified in 30 days, right? Once he got to Security Plus, which is a part of the program, he said it was easier than Security Plus. I mean, easier than A plus. I said, no, it ain't easier. It's just that you done got used to it, right? You got the foundations and it just seems repetitive. Like, okay, I already know this stuff, right? But it's not that you actually know it. It's just that you've seen it before. You have the right mindset. You know how to troubleshoot. You got the methodology. You already got the confidence from passing, right? So understand that. This isn't just something that I, pulled out my damn, I don't want to say it like that, but this ain't just something I pull out the sky, right? This is, real world stuff, right? It's going to make your journey so much easier. Whatever your end goal is, A plus will make that goal a lot easier. So let's not just end the story there, right? So when he was going from A plus to Network Plus, before he even finished Security Plus, he actually landed a support role, right? So he landed a support role that was remote, which was awesome for him because he had kids and life and all this other stuff. So that's possible for him, just with A plus, and it's the same thing is possible for you if you have the right skills, you have the right mentorship, blah blah blah. Like I said 1,000 times, it's hard to do this, right? Even with my team, even with, people, even with my mentorship, this is not easy, right? But doing it on your own makes it feel damn near impossible. So I would strongly suggest that, you get around some people and you get around a mentor that can actually help you through this, right? All right. And another thing, like I said, do not listen to the wrong advice. Now, one of the biggest things that A plus does is builds your confidence, right? Confidence is key in interviews. Confidence is key in testing, and confidence is key just in life in general, right? When you exude confidence, it makes people want to be around you. It makes people want to hire you. It makes people want to listen to you, right? Another thing A plus does is help you with troubleshooting. Like I said, it gives you that first layer, that first level of analytical and critical thinking. So you know how to work through problems. You know how to go through these things so you can actually get to the right answer. And it gives your career momentum. Because A plus isn't just knowledge. A plus isn't just like, okay, I got this cert, my granny gonna be happy for me. Hell no. This certification can get you a job. It will get you a job, right? If you, do the right things and if you have the right methodology, blah, 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 right? A plus is one of those certifications that once you get it, it's almost like a snowball effect, right? Oh, I got this one. Okay, let me get this next one. Let me get this next one. But you never have a starting point. If you never pass anything, it's going to be hard as hell. Or if you take your first certification and you bomb it completely, it's going to be rough. Look, if you don't get anything else from this video, if you cannot pass A plus, you will not pass these other certifications. If you cannot pass A plus, it's going to be super hard to do a lot of jobs. It's going to be super hard to break into tech. You have to know what the fuck you're doing, man. You have to actually have the skills to do the job. You got to have the skills to pass the exam. You got to have the skills to actually land an interview, right? It's all this stuff is a process. That's why I always tell you guys that it's not a good idea to do this on your own if you're trying to accomplish things quickly. So where does A plus fit into the roadmap of certifications, right? Somebody that's really trying to get to it. A plus is going to be first, right? Then you would go to Network Plus. Network Plus is going to make Security Plus that much easier. Having those three, you're going to have so many opportunities, whether it's remote, whether it's wherever you, Kentucky, Alabama, Delaware, Chicago, Detroit, New York, Germany, wherever you are, you're going to have so many opportunities because you're going to have so many different lanes. You got the A plus, which covers a little bit of everything. Then you got Network Plus, which covers networking. Then you got Security Plus, covers cybersecurity. And then you can get into, higher level certifications, whether it's CYSA plus, NTES, CISP, whatever you're looking to get into, right? You will be more on a trajectory to be able to achieve that, right? So A plus is not optional. If you're looking to get A plus in the next 30 days, you can go to passtechcerts.com. We have an all new A plus program that'll help you pass the first part in 2 weeks, pass the second part in 2 weeks, 30 days basically. So if that's something that interests you, go to passtechcerts.com. But before you do that, do me a favor and watch our last video, which is going to help you not only pass A+, but actually pass Network Plus, Security Plus, and several other certifications. Other than that, I'll see you in class.